Hi everyone, I'm Natalie. I'm bag maker and designer. I designed several of the bags which are specially made for crafters, for quilters, for those who like sewing, making beading, jewelry, and other craft stuff. I will leave the link for my bags in my first comment and in the description. You will find the link where to buy the pattern for my bags and where you can also order ready-made bags. Here are some of them. This is my latest bag. It's a ultimate carry-all bag. You can find a lot of pictures and videos on my YouTube channel, Quiltessence Natalie. Find me as Quiltessence Natalie. Also in my Etsyshop Quiltessence or also Quiltessence Natalie. Here's my organizer bag. Organizer bag for quilting or sewing. Also has lots of pockets here. It has ironing pad right here, same as this bag has right here. Again, you can find lots of videos on my YouTube channel, Quiltessence Natalie, and in my Etsy shop. What I was going to tell you today, I have a great tip for you. I used to have these metal snap fasteners for the sides of my bags. Right here. Unsnap, and you have this bag open like this. You can even open it all the way, so you can have it open on both sides. The same as this bag. When you open it, unsnap, and you have ironing pad right here, which can be used for any projects where the miniature iron is involved. So, as I said, I used to apply here the metal snaps, these ones, which are still pretty good. It's 9 or 9.5 millimeters metal snap fasteners. But I tried, since I have a little grandbaby now, I was making lots of these things for him. So, what is it? Babes? Yeah, babes. So, I bought me a bunch of these plastic snap fasteners for baby stuff. See this snap? So, now I make a lot of, as I said, baby stuff. So, I bought a bunch of these snaps. They are so colorful, just so different pretty colors, and it comes with this snap fastener tool. So I tried to use the snaps for my bags, and I think it works great. They have so many different colors, and it can be applied any color for my bags. I used pink for this one. I used green ones for this one. Oh, I have another one. Here's another one. This is a little darker green, but it's still pretty. Both of them pretty. And I used brown ones for this one. So I think these snaps are very good. So if you order my supply kit for any of my bags, for Ultimate Carry-All bag or for my quilters organizer bag, you you will receive these metal snaps because it was by default and I used to sell these ones. But if you're okay with plastic ones, or if you want them, I will probably begin replacing them with plastic. But you need to tell me if, well, you need to have this tool. So I really like these colorful snaps. They're easy to use. Plastic snaps are easy to apply. Okay, thanks for watching, and visit again my Quiltessence Etsy shop. Also search me as Quiltessence Natalie on my Etsy shop, Quiltessence. Watch for me on YouTube. You will find a bunch of video on my bags, these and other bags. I also have Instagram account. I'm also there, Quiltessence Natalie. Oh, by the way, there are some more bags ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.